everyone, welcome. And in our journey of Vedic mathematics, we have completed the additions, subtractions. Now we will be looking over to the multiplications part. Now I'll be telling you the multiplication techniques in a phased manner. Today we shall discuss the part 1 of multiplications. Right, and those who have not watched the previous videos of the additions and subtractions, just click on the I button. You will be watching it. Okay, now here in part 1, I shall discuss with you all the technique of multiplying with a series of number 1. Okay, right. This technique we will be using for ones, series of ones. Okay. Series of ones. Okay, now this means, now let me take a number, let us take a number like 3, 4, 2 into 11. Now into 1 comes to the same number. Now here we are going to discuss the multiplication technique for a series of ones. Now when we are multiplying with 11 or 111 or 1111 like that means series of ones, how do we proceed? That we are going to learn today. Now here the number here is 3 digit and we are multiplying with 2 ones. That means here the ones are in only 2. That means a 2 digit number. Now in this type, what we have to just drop the number as it is. Now the number is 342 as it is. Now how many ones I have? 2 ones. So you have to reduce 1. So 2 ones, after reducing 1, you get only 1. So the number of ones reduce 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, isn't it? So I will be adding 0 to both the sides of my number. Just I am placing some here. So what I did, when 2 digits, 2 ones are there. If 3 ones are there, so I'll be adding 2 zeros to both sides of the same number. Now here how many ones are there? 2 digit. Now take 2 at a time and add. Now we know that repeated addition is nothing but multiplication, isn't it? Now here we are going to add the numbers and get the product, right? Here 2 digits, so I'll be taking 2 at a time, right? Now here 2 numbers at a time, so 0 plus 2 comes to 2. Now the rightmost one I will leave it. Leave off the rightmost one. That means you have to cut it. Okay. Now again take the 2 digits. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now leave the rightmost one. Now again 2 digits. Why am I taking 2 at a time? Because we are having series of 2 only. 2 ones, isn't it? If I have series of 3 ones, I'll take 3 digits at a time. Now 3 plus 4 is 7. So leave the rightmost. Now again 3, again you have to take 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. Now leave the rightmost. Now nothing is left over. So 3762 is the product. Now is the multiplication of this number 3762. Got it? You can do this in 2 seconds. Wherein if you go for the convention method, it will take more than 6 seconds. Okay, so this technique of multiplying with a series of ones, if you do in this way, you can do it in only 2 seconds. Now let me take another number. Now let me take 4 3 6 4 3 2 3, okay, into 11. Now let's start. Drop the number as it is, 4 3 2 3. Okay, now there are 2 ones here, so reduce 1, so 1, so 0 and 0. Okay, so how many digits are there? Reduce it to 1, so that comes to, that means you have to subtract 1, so that comes to 1. So 1 0 you have to add here and here, above and below here, both sides. Then start the additions. Now because 2 digit, 2 ones are there, start with only 2 at a time. Okay. 0 plus 3 comes to 3. Now leave the rightmost. Now 3 plus 2 comes to 5. Leave the rightmost. 3 plus 2 comes to 5. Leave the rightmost. 3 plus 4 comes to 7. Leave the rightmost. 4 plus 0 is 4. Leave the rightmost. So the answer here is, this is 47553. Okay. So this takes only 2 seconds in practice. Now we have multiplied with 2 ones. Let us see multiplication with 3 ones. The same pattern, I'll write it here. Okay. Now here, now the same 11 only, but we will take, these are the simple examples. Let me take a complicated example. Here, now if I take 3, 9, 8, 7 into 11. Okay. That means here, see, again the same thing you have to write. You have to drop the number as it is. Now here 2 digits are there. So 1 0 and 1 0 both the sides I am writing. Now taking 2 at a time, the same way, taking 2, because 2 digit number, taking 2 at a time you have to add. So 0 plus 7 comes to 7. Leave the rightmost one. Now take again 2. 8 plus 7 comes to 15. 15 means, so it is a carry number. I've called this as a complicated. Complicated means a bit difficult number. So 7 plus 8, 15. So 5 you write and carry you keep it here. The carry, 15 carry, isn't it? Now you have to leave the rightmost one. Now take again 2. 8 plus 9 comes to 17. 17 plus 1, the carry you should add it. Okay. 17 plus 1, 18. So write the units place, write the carry below. Now leave the rightmost. Take other 2. 9 plus 3 comes to 12. 12 plus 1. Do not forget to add the carry. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3 carry 1. Leave the rightmost. Take 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. Add the carry. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So the number here, the product is 43857. Okay. So I have called this as just complicated because we are having carries. Just drop the tens place, the carry, keep it below. Then every time when you are adding 2, taking 2 at a time, include the carry and write the tens place, keep the carry, write the units place, keep the carry. Likewise you have to do. Okay. So let us take one more example for the carry combination, isn't it? Okay, let me take 4, 9, 8, 8 into 11. Okay, let's start. Now drop the number as it is, 4988. Now how many zeros I have to write? Only 1 0 this side and this side, because 2 numbers, so I have to reduce it 1. Now let's start by taking 2 at a time. 8 plus 0 is 8. Leave the rightmost. Now here 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 means 6 and 1 carry. Keep the carry very small. Okay, 16. Now here leave the rightmost. Now here 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 1 carry also you have to add. 17 plus 1, 18. So 1 carry. Leave the rightmost. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So here leave the carry. Take 0 plus 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 54868. Okay. This is the answer. Just write the carries just below. The answer is this. Now here these many steps you may not be getting, but if in practice you will be doing it in only 2 seconds. So quickly pause the video and note it down. Let's see the series of 3 ones. Now let's take another example. Now here we have multiplied with series of 2 ones. Now we will multiply with series of 3 ones. Okay. Now if I take 3, 1, 3, 2, 4 into 111. Okay. Any digit number you can take and proceed in the same form. Okay. Whether it is 3 digit, whether it is 4 digit, whether it is 5 digit, any digit, but the procedure is one and the same. Now here 111. How do we start? Let's take 1, 3, 2, 4 as it is, drop the number. Now how many ones are there? 3 ones. So what? Reduce 1. If you reduce 1, it comes to 2. Okay. So what I do? 2 zeros this side and 2 zeros this side. I will place. Okay. Right. Now, how many ones are there? 3. So, we will be adding 3 at a time. Okay. So, 3 at a time we will be adding. So, 0, 0, 4 comes to 4. Leave the rightmost. Leave 1. Okay. Leave the rightmost. Now, here again 3. Okay. These 3 here. After leaving this, 1, 2, 3 you can easily, and after cutting this you can easily count 3 digits, isn't it? So 2 plus 4, 6 plus 0 is 6 again. Okay. Now cut the rightmost one. Take 3 again. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So 9. Leave 1. Again 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Leave the rightmost. Now take another 3. 3, 1, 0. So that comes to 4. Leave the rightmost, take 3, 1, 0, 0 comes to 1. Leave the rightmost. The numbers are over. So, this is the final answer. Okay. That means what we are doing, just first we are placing 2 and 2 zeros. That many zeros, that is 1 decreased with the number of ones. Here, one number of ones are 3. So, you decrease 1. So, it comes to 2. To 2 zeros, just place them before and after. Then you start with, since there are 3 ones, start 3 at a time adding, leaving the rightmost. Okay, leaving the rightmost. 1 if you cut 3 digits, if you cut again 3 digits. So you can easily identify it, and simply by adding only we are getting the multiplication. We are truly not multiplying it, isn't it? So the product is this. Now let's take another number, another example I'll take. Now let us take a bigger one. Okay, so that we get a carry. So how do we get the carries now? So 7, 8, 9, 6. Okay, here let me take 2 into 111. Right, let's start. Now this is a 5-digit number. Whatever digits, we don't mind it. How many digits are there? We are only concerned with the series of ones. Okay, we are concerned with only series of ones. Now let's write the number as it is. 2, 7, 8, 9, 6, isn't it? Now how many 3's are there? 3 3's are there. So 2, 2 I have to write here and here. Just I'm placing this. Okay. Now how many 3's are there? 3, right? So 3 at a time I'll be adding. So like taking 3, 0, 0, 6 comes to 6. Leave the rightmost. Now 3 at a time. 9 plus 6, 15. So 5 and the carry 1 here. Write the units place, carry the tens place. Now 15, so 5 and 1. Now leave the rightmost. Now take again 3. Now here 3 you are taking 9 plus 6. Here comes to 15. 15 plus 8, 23. And add the carry, 24. Okay, 2 is the carry here. Leave the rightmost. Take these 3. 7 and 8, 15, 15, 9, 24. 24 with 2, 26. So 2 here. Leave the rightmost. Again take 3. 8, 7, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. So comes here. Leave the rightmost. Now take these 2. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. 0 and 1. Leave the rightmost. Now here 2, 0, 0 comes to 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is the final answer. Now you are writing 3, you are cutting this. Again there are nothing here, it's all zeros. So the number is 3096456 is the product. Okay. So any big number, any digit number, you can easily multiply using this technique. Now let's take here this, like I am telling, this is a simple number, whereas this is a carry number. Okay, let me take, for both of them we have used 3 3's. Now we will take 4 ones. Okay, now 3 ones here. So let me take 4 ones for a simple number. Let me start with a simple number 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, I will take 4 ones, series of 4 ones. Procedure is same. Let's start now. 1 2 3 2 3. Okay, now how many ones are there? 4. So I have to write 3 zeros. So 1 reduced, 3 zeros this side and 3 zeros this side. Okay, just I am writing. Okay, I am adding 3 zeros there, adding 3 zeros here, just placing them. Now since it is a 4-digit ones here, 4 digits, so I have to add 4 at a time. See here, adding 4, so it comes to 3. leave the rightmost, again add 4 here, so it comes to 5, leave the rightmost, only one, rightmost one only we are going to leave it. Now here comes to 5, isn't it? Now first I have started 3, cut off, again you add this to 5, cut off, again 4, here 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8 you write, cut off, again here 4 plus 6 comes to, here 4 plus 6 comes to 10, so write the carry, cut off, again 4 digits, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, so carry, now again 4, 3 2s are, and 3 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, there is no carry here, so 6 as it is, cut off, again 4, so this comes to 3, cut off, now this comes to 1, so the answer is 1 3 6 9 0 8 5 3. Okay, this is the answer for this 4-digit number. Now let's take a complicated one, that means which gets carry. One here we have only one carry, but we will take a bigger number so that we can understand for the 4 series. Okay, here now let's take let me take 7 8 like, okay, 7 8 9 6, okay, 5 into 4 ones. Let's start. Now let this be, drop the number as it is, 7 5 7 8 9 6. Now 4 ones, so 3 3 zeros I have to add, both the sides 3 zeros, right, here 3 zeros. Now we will be adding 4 at a time because this is 4 ones, so 4 at a time. So 6, this comes to 6, leave the rightmost. Now here 4 at a time, 9 plus 6 comes to 15, so here carry 1, leave the rightmost, take again 4, so 4 means here 8 and 9, 17, 17 plus 6, 23 plus 1, 24. Okay, so 2 carry here, leave the rightmost, take again 4 here, 7 8 15, here 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Okay, 3, leave the rightmost, take again 4, 5 7 12, 12 8 20, 20 plus 9, 29, 29 and 3, that comes to 32, 2 and 3 here, leave the rightmost, take 4, 8 7 15, 15 5 20, 20 plus 3, 23, so here leave the rightmost, add these 4, comes to 12, 7 plus 5 12, so 12 plus 2 14, so this again leave the rightmost, this comes to, take 4 again, 5, 5 plus 1 6, so the final product is 6 4 3 2 2 4 5 6 is the answer. Okay, so this is having the carries. Now the procedure is one and the same. Now you may get a doubt that here the number of digits are more than the number of ones, isn't it? Now if the number of digits in this part, if they are less than number of ones, what do we do? Now here, for that to explain you, so if I take 132 into, so if I say this, the number of digits and the number of ones are same, so the same procedure we do, 132 here, so 2 zeros this side, 2 zeros this side, just start adding because there are 3, so start adding 3 at a time. Okay, so 2, leave the rightmost, now 5, leave the rightmost, now here 5 plus 1 6, leave the rightmost, 4, leave the rightmost, now here 1. Okay, so this is the answer for here. So same number of digits. Now same number of digits also we are proceeding to that. If in case if you have the number of digits as 431 into 4 ones, suppose if you have the number of digits this side are less than the number of ones, nothing, what you have to do, you have to place a 0 here, 0 4 3 1 into 4 ones. So now here we can easily say that the number of digits both sides are equal. So proceed likewise, the same procedure. So the number of digits are same. So do the same procedure, dropping this number along with 0. This is the actual number. Now here 3 zeros you write. Now here again 3 zeros you write because 1 less. Now start same 4 at a time because here 4. So 4 at a time 1. Drop 1. 4 at a time here 4. Leave the rightmost. Now 4 at a time, 7 plus 1, 8. Leave the rightmost. 4 at a time, 4, 3, 7 plus 1, 8. Leave the rightmost. Now 4 at a time, here comes to 7. Leave the rightmost. Here 4. So 4. This is the answer. So nothing. We have to make the number of digits same. Just placing the zeros. If the number of digits are 1 more or less, also place 2 zeros. So with that only we will be starting the number. So the answer is this. So what I mean to say, so here the series of ones, how do we multiply with the series of ones? Just placing one number less zeros both sides and start adding. Here we are not doing the multiplication, we are starting additions. Start adding with the number of ones. So that will be very simple and it will take only 2 seconds. Check it out. Now this is the first technique of we will be dealing with the multiplication techniques in a phased manner. So this technique of multiplication will work out for series of ones. Hope you have understood today's class. Now in our next multiplication technique we will see the another trick. Thank you all.